All right, we got a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, came in with a consistent misfire. Scan tool says that it was a consistent cylinder 3 misfire, and if you look at the spark plugs, we pulled the intake off mostly so we could really see or show what was going on here. If you look down here at 1 and 2, spark plugs look nice and straight. You go down to cylinders 3 and 4, you can see that cylinder 3 is cross-threaded, crooked, and it's not seated all the way. You know, we'll look in there a little bit more when we do pull the plug out, but I suspect that it's just that the spark plug's not down in the combustion chamber, and that's what's causing the misfire. So we're gonna have to pull that out. Hopefully we can salvage the threads in the head, and we'll go from there.